बच्चों, लास्ट क्लास में डेटाबेस के बारे में हम लोगों ने जाना। टुडे वी डिस्कस अबाउट ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ ए डेटाबेस। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, डेटाबेस that stores data in a organized way in the form of tables, and the most popular RDBMS softwares are Oracle, MS Access, FoxPro. In this chapter, we learn about Microsoft Access, and the current topic is objects of a database. All objects of a database are stored in a single file. These are managed with the help of a database window. Let us discuss about the main objects of a database. डेटाबेस के सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स एक सिंगल फाइल में स्टोर होते हैं। आज हम लोग ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बारे में, जो डेटाबेस के अलग अलग ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, उसके बारे में जानेंगे क्या होता है। फर्स्ट इज टेबल। एज वी डिस्कस टेबल ऑल्सो इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल्स, and today also discuss about the table. A table contains the actual data. MS Access stores information in its rows, also known as records, and columns, also known as fields. टेबल क्या है? एक्चुअल जहाँ डेटा हम स्टोर करते हैं, लाइक नेम, क्लास, रोल नंबर, स्टूडेंट्स रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन लाइक स्टूडेंट नेम, स्टूडेंट क्लास, स्टूडेंट एड्रेस, फोन नंबर, etc. Where actually stored data is called a table, and in a table is collection of rows and columns. As you know about that, rows are known as records in Microsoft Access, and columns are known as fields. For example, in a table, name of all the clients of a bank can be stored in one field with a field name as name. Thus, all fields like name, account number, address, and phone number together form the records of a particular client. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, in a bank stores our information like name, account number, address, phone number. And these all records are known as records. These fields especially. In a table, we can store in the form of rows and columns. Rows are the records of a particular students or particular client. In a banks, we are known as a client, as a customer. In schools, known as a students. In this table, we can store all the details about students, teachers, staffs, and in a bank database, where we can store customer name, customer account number, customer address, and customer phone number. These all are called records that we stored in the form of tables, rows, and columns. Next one is query. A query is used to get a record or a group of records from a database. It fulfills certain conditions. For example, get the record of patient number 144-42 is a query. Query basically a questions that we ask from database. Just like examples, if I want to know the details about patient number 142. Also, in a school database, we can get informations of particular students with the help of students' roll number or registration numbers. If I want to know the details about particular students, then I have to write a query to get information from a database. Query basically a questions that we ask from database about any details like student details, teachers details, book details or patient details, etc. Next one is form. A form is like filling a blank sheet where all the particulars are to be filled by hand. For example, in an application for an electricity connection, MS Access attaches a form to the table and stores the data that is put in the form into the table. Forms basically a blank sheet where we can fill the details about customers, students. Just like example, when you got an admission, you have to firstly fill the admission form. In classes examination, you have to fill the examination forms, admission form, registration forms. Those all are called a form. You can fill all the details that ask in a form details like name, contact details, address, phone number, which class you want to. These all details are filled in the form. Basically, form is a blank sheet where we can fill all the details about form. Here in this topics given are one customers want to get an electricity connection, then he has to fill the all details that asked by the electricity department. These are called a form. These are also used in real life where you can fill जो भी आप फॉर्म भरते हैं लाइक एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म्स, एडमिशन फॉर्म्स, उसमें क्या होते हैं, सारे डिटेल्स होते हैं जिसके लिए आप एडमिशन चाहते हैं, रजिस्ट्रेशन चाहते हैं या एग्जामिनेशन फॉर्म related informations. Blank sheets that are called a form. Next one is report. MS Access allow us to design reports in a convenient way. Thus, reports are meant to be printed just as form are meant to be viewed on screen. Reports are same as forms, but it is the final that given by a specialist. Just like examples, if a doctor diagnoses and give a final results that are called a report. That any informations related to you given in a summary or given as a printout is called a report. We can easily print a report in Microsoft Access. Next, the very important topic is Microsoft Access. MS Access is a part of Microsoft Office. It is used by small and large business houses and organizations to create a tailor-made specialized systems to manage the creation and manipulation of data. Microsoft Access that we discussed earlier also, a database that can stores all the informations related to organization, institutions, business houses, and it has the facility to easily retrieve stored data from database. You can query data, you can make a reports of data that you stored in a database. In this chapter, we will learn about how to create a database, within a database, how to create a table, how to create a query, and how to generate a report from the database. Then firstly we have to know about Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access arrange data in the form of table. Microsoft Access हमारे डेटा को अरेंज करता है, स्टोर करता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टेबल्स. एवरी सेट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इन अ टेबल इज कॉल्ड अ वैल्यू. और टेबल में जितने भी इंफॉर्मेशंस होते हैं, इंफॉर्मेशन का बेसिकली सेट होता है, उसको वैल्यू कहते हैं. A value is a position at the intersection of rows and column. और आप जानते हैं intersection of rows and column is make a cell, and within a cells all the values are stored in tables in Microsoft Access. Then the next topic is how to start Microsoft Access. If I want to create a database, create a table, then firstly we have to start the Microsoft Access. Follow the steps mentioned below to start Microsoft Access. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Click on All Program Options. Step 3. Click on Microsoft Office. Step 4. Click on Microsoft Access. When you click on Microsoft Access, it will start a window. These are the steps given there in a pictures. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3 and Step 4. A Microsoft Access screen appears. Now you can create a new database or open an existing database. These are the window when Microsoft Access starts. Here you can create a database with the help of options, blank database, and click on create options. In next class हम लोग जानेंगे how to create a database and how to create a tables. Thank you.